Hello everyone, Jai Jinendra. I am Pragya Jain and we are here to talk about Uttam Shauch Parva. Uttam Shauch Parva is named after Uttam Shauch Dharma, which means supreme purity, and it is the fourth day of Daslakshan Parva. Purity. We are going to talk about the purity of mind and soul and not the purity of body. This purity is contradicted by the fourth passion called lobha, which means greed. You would say that you are not greedy because you are not a miser. You like to give away alms to the beggar. You like to give a lot of donation in the temples. And also you do not want anything in return, do you? But money is not the parameter of greediness. In fact, we are greedy about everything we look at. If you look at the things in your room right now, you would either like them or dislike them. Dislike is attachment or rag bhav, and the dislike is aversion or dvesh bhav. Both of these rag bhav and dvesh bhav are impurities in our soul. Also, if we get something in our life, we always want something more. For example, if you have a good job, you want a promotion. If you become a celebrity, you would like to have a lot of publicity. You are never ever free of greed. Therefore, this greed is the impurity which we need to get rid of. There are 4 types of greed. The first is Jivan Lobha, which means we want to have a long life. The second is Arogya Lobha, which means we want to live a healthy life. The third is Indriya Lobha, which means we want to achieve everything to satisfy our senses. And the fourth is Upabhog Lobha, which means we want to relish all the worldly material. Now you would say that how come it is greediness? Aren't we supposed to live a healthy and wealthy life? Excuse me? Health and wealth, senses and worldly gains, these are not you. These are all due to karma. If you have them, it is due to karma. If you do not have them, it is due to karma. Now, if karma is responsible for everything, what is our duty? Our duty is to get rid of all the passions from our soul. Actually, we are like that monkey who has got his hand stuck in the pot of hot and tasty grams. If the monkey wants to get rid, if the monkey wants to free his hand of the pot, it has to get rid of the greed first. Similarly, if we want to become pure, if we want to attain supreme purity, we also need to get rid of all the passions from our soul. In technical terms, there is zero purity where there is extreme greed or anantanubandhi lobha. There is only a little purity where there is moderate greed or apratyakhana varni lobha. The amount of purity is increased where there is mild greed or pratyakhyana varni lobha, and there is ample of purity where there is only a slight of greed or sanjvanan lobha, which means contentment is opposite to greed and we should strive to attain that contentment. How would that come? It would come if we realize that we do have a pure soul. We have infinite pure attributes inside us which we only have to realize. As simple as that. So, we should get rid of all the passions and realize infinite pure attributes in our soul, and we will attain supreme purity. That's all. How simple is that? In the next video, we will talk about supreme truth. Thank you. Jai Jinendra.